Hello everyone, how you guys are doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I wanted to talk to you guys for a brief second about my automation that I've been starting doing, or that I just got started doing, I should say. The thing is, I've partnered with a company that I've been with for about 3 months now, and I literally have not got the chance to utilize the bot up until last week. So I connected it to my MT4 last week, and was very super impressed about the results that I received off of just last week's results. And I kind of want to go ahead and show y'all. I did a video discussing it with you guys, and now I just want to show you proof of what I was talking about. So let me go to my MT4, which is that since there, but mainly this is all really in blue. All right, and you're gonna have some losses. I'm not gonna pretend you're not, but I was really impressed about the results I've received. The bot does not trade on Fridays, but also you are you have access to your settings. Basically, you can go and change your settings. The standard settings is going to be fixed automatically where it doesn't trade on Fridays, but of course you can go and just click that you do want it to trade on Fridays if you prefer that. But I was just comfortable with leaving it as, don't trade on Fridays. Just mainly because, I personally, when I'm manually trading, sometimes I do trade on a Friday. It just depends, and sometimes I don't. So based on that alone, I just said, I'm gonna leave my bot where it don't trade on Fridays, right? But it's really up to you on how you want to go about that. But with all that being said, June the 15th was the last trading day for it. I was super impressed, like I said, about the results that I received. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. But this bot is literally on fire. In the company I'm partnering with, we have more than just one bot. I just want to give you heads up there. I'm just testing out one bot for now because I just got it all connected and set it up last week. But my goal is to start checking out the other bots as well. And once if you are interested and want to get partnered with this company, you will literally have access to, I believe it will be about 5 bots. But I will give you an actual accurate number, because right now I'm just really guessing, but I think it is 5 bots that you will literally have access to. You just choose which one you want to use. You can use all 5, or you can just use one, or you can just use 2 out of 5. It's just really up to you. Like I said, 5 is just a estimate guess at the moment. Next time when I do a video, I will have the accurate number. I believe in 5 is the actual accurate number. I believe it is, but I just want to be transparent. I'm guessing right now, but I'll be really for sure in the next video that I do. I'm just coming to let you know the freedom you will have with the different bots. The settings on the bots is amazing to me because it is geared towards making sure it helps people not blow their accounts out. So that's really, I feel like it's really a good thing. And so just hit me up, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Also, if you like to just oh yeah, there's another thing I almost forgot. We are having a 7-day free trial. That's another reason why it's probably important for you to jump on board, because you can utilize the 7-day free trial and get to check out the